SQL Fluff is an integrated linting tool in Paradime that ensures the maintenance of high-quality, consistent SQL code. It enforces best practices, enhances code readability, and minimizes errors throughout your DBT project. If you've set up your DBT project with Paradime, the SQL Fluff file already exists in your repository, located in the same directory as your DBT project.yaml file. If it's not present, simply right-click to create a new file with the exact name .SQL Fluff. To get started, copy and paste the template provided in the Paradime documentation. This default SQL Fluff template is configured for Snowflake and DBT, setting basic rules for SQL formatting, including line length, indentation, aliases, and capitalization. Let's examine a query with inconsistent formatting. By clicking the Prettier button in the Commands panel, SQL Fluff is applied. Within seconds, the linter updates our code. Now, let's modify our SQL Fluff file to adjust column positioning. Running Prettier again will reveal the results. As you can see, SQL Fluff allows us to maintain consistent SQL formatting throughout our projects with ease. By customizing our SQL Fluff file, we can enforce team-wide coding standards, thereby improving collaboration and code quality. This not only saves time during code reviews, but also reduces errors caused by inconsistent formatting.